Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. You got to trust the universe to do its part. You do your part. You show up, do the best you can with what you got from where you are. Try to align yourself with your greatest self. Be your best self. And trust that things are going to work out, because they always do. One way or another, things always work out. So there's no sense in freaking out, man. There's no sense in worrying, ma'am. There's no sense in thinking the worst case scenario or telling a rotten story. Instead, trust. Trust that you can learn new skills, that you can get better if you're missing something, and trust the universe to meet you there when you show up with your best self. Right now, I'm on my way to CarMax to see if they will make me an offer on my car, or what kind of offer they're going to make me. And I took my little 2005 Prius to the dealer because it'd been throwing a lot of lights at me, and got some bad news by most standards, which was that it needs a whole lot of things, and this is no surprise to me. I already knew that, so it's actually really nice to have that confirmation, because it makes my choice easier about needing to sell it. So, because I just don't have the means to put it, and the time. Now, I have a friend with a shop, and we've considered working on this one while I get a loaner from them or him. But I'm thinking now that I need to sell this one ASAP and get a rental or another beater or something. Maybe borrow one, get a rental, go borrow one, then get another, good deal for a while to get me through till I can afford something nicer. That's my thoughts, and the only reason I'm sharing all that is because it's just an example of how I'm not worried, because I know that I can trust the universe, that things will work out. Because the reason is because they always do, they always have. Even when things go a little awry or not so great, they still end up working out. So, I mean, the worst that could happen is I could die, and even that, life will go on. So maybe I even get to come back. We don't know. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for right now, is trust the universe. Trust yourself and trust the universe, because you're part of the universe and the universe is part of you. So you can look at it that way. Until next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, and playfulness.